Good morning, dear children. How are you? So, I hope you are all fine. So, what have you studied in the previous class? Do you remember the lesson? Okay, very good. Today, we are going on to the new lesson named Talk. What is the name of the new lesson? Talk. Talk. Okay. What do you mean by talk? To speak, right? To speak is to talk. Okay. So, who are the ones that are talking? Who can talk? All the animals, all the living beings can talk? No. Only human beings can talk, right? Some birds like parrot all can talk. And what about if our plants, trees and all the animals talk? That will be very beautiful, right? And it will be very amazing too. Okay. So, our new story is such a story. It is the talking of some animals and plants, some things in nature. Okay. So let's move on to the chapter. It is page number 16 on your textbook. Listen to me carefully, okay? Once, not far from the city of Accra on the Gulf of Guinea, a countryman went out to his garden to dig up some yams to take to the market. While he was digging, one of the yams said to him, "Well, at last you are here. You never weeded me, but now you have come around with your digging stick. Go away and leave me alone." So, what happened? Once, not far from the city of Accra. So, not far from the city of Accra means the place is near Accra, on the Gulf of Guinea. A countryman went out to his garden. A man went out. A countryman means a native of that country. The man went out to his garden. For what? To dig up. What do you mean by dig? To make a hole on the surface of earth. That is digging. So, to dig up some yams to take to the market. So, he was digging up the yams. What do you mean by yam? It is a food item. Okay. It is a kind of a potato. While he was digging, one of the yams said to him, "Well, at last you are here. You never weeded me, but now you have come around with your digging stick. Go away and leave me alone." So, when he was digging the yam out, one of the yams started speaking. What did it say? "Well, at last you are here." So, the yam is speaking to the man that last you came to me, right? You never weeded me. You never weeded me. What do you mean by weed? What is weeding? Weed means to remove unwanted plants. So, if we are cultivating something, we will have to remove some unwanted plants and all. We have to take care of that plant, okay? That is weeding. So, the yarn is saying that you have not weeded me, you haven't weeded me, but you have now come around with your digging stick. Go away and leave me alone. So, you haven't weeded me. So, you don't own the right to take me, to eat me. So, you don't belong the right to eat me. You haven't weeded me. So, go away and leave me alone. The farmer turned around and looked at his cow in amazement. The cow was chewing her cud and looking at him. So, the farmer was amazed. What do you mean by amazed? Surprised. So, the farmer was surprised because a yam is speaking. How can a yam speak? So, the farmer became surprised and he turned to his cow. So, his cow was there. He turned to his cow and the cow was chewing her cud and looking at him. What was the cow doing? It was chewing her cud. She was chewing. The cow was chewing her cud, her food. So she was chewing food and looking at him. "Did you say something?" he asked. So the farmer asked the cow, "Did you say something? Have you said anything?" So farmer was confused from where this sound came. Who spoke to him? The farmer was utterly confused. So he asked his cow, "Did you say something?" he asked. The cow kept on chewing and said nothing. But the man's dog spoke up. So cow didn't say anything. Cow didn't say anything, but the man's dog spoke up. Who then speak? Who speak? The dog. Man's dog started speaking. It wasn't the cow who spoke to you, the dog said. It was the yam. Listen to the yam, says. The yam says, leave it alone. So, the cow didn't say anything. Cow was silent. She was chewing her cud. Now, the dog, the fisherman's dog started speaking. Dog, what did the dog say? It was the yam. It is yam who spoke to you. It was the yam. Listen to what the yam says. So please listen to the yam. Please listen carefully to the yam. The yam says, leave it alone. So what is yam saying? Yam is saying that leave it alone. Leave me alone. So yam is saying that. So the fisherman's dog said, dog asked him to listen to the yam. The man became angry because his dog had never talked before and he didn't like his tone besides. So he took his knife and cut a branch from a palm tree to whip his dog. So man became angry. Why did he become angry? Why he became angry? Because his dog hasn't spoken before. The dog hasn't talked before. For the first time his dog is speaking. So he didn't like that and he didn't like the tone. So he took his knife and cut a branch from a palm tree to whip his dog. So he cut the branch of the palm tree for what? To whip the dog. Whip means beat, to beat the dog. Just then the palm tree said, put that branch down. So what did the palm tree said? Put that branch down. So it is my branch. So put it down. The man was getting very upset about the way things were going and he started to throw the palm branch away. But the palm branch said, man, put me down softly. So he was utterly confused. The fisherman was utterly confused because the yam spoke to him, the dog spoke to him, and then he cut the branch of the palm tree. Now palm tree also spoke to him. What did the palm tree say? Put that branch down. Palm tree said, put that branch down. So the man got confused. So he throw the branch away. So he started to throw the branch away. Then the tree said, man, put me down softly. So the tree asked him to put the branch very softly. So the yam spoke to him, the dog spoke to him, palm tree also spoke to him. He put the branch down gently on a stone and the stone said, hey, take that thing off me. So he put the palm tree on the stone. Then the stone told that, take the thing off me. The stone wanted to take the palm tree off from the stone. This was enough and the frightened farmer started to run towards his village. So farmer was frightened. He was afraid. He was frightened. He started running to his village. On the way, he met a fisherman going the other way with a fish trap on his head. So on the way, what did he see? He saw a fisherman with a fish trap on his head. What is the fish trap? The thing used to catch the fish, to trap the fish, kind of a net. What is the hurry? The fisherman asked. So our farmer was running fastly. So the fisherman asked, why are you going in a hurry? Hurry means swiftly, fastly. Why are you in the hurry? The farmer said, my yam said, leave me alone. Then the dog said, listen to what the yam says. When I went to whip the dog with a palm branch, the tree said, put that branch down. Then the palm branch said, do it softly. Then the stone said, take the thing off me. So he started explaining everything to the fisherman. A farmer was afraid, frightened. He was running. On the way, he saw a fisherman. Fisherman asked him, why are you moving so fastly? So he answered the fisherman that all the things happened. He explained everything that happened to the fisherman. He said, my yam said, leave me alone. First the yam said, leave me alone. Then dog spoke to me. Dog said, listen to what the yam says. Then when I went to whip the dog with a palm branch, so I went to cut the palm branch. The tree said, put the branch down. Then the palm branch said, do it softly. Then the stone said, take that thing off me. So stone, everything, all these things asked me to do one thing or the other. So everything spoke to me. I was afraid, I was frightened because I haven't seen such things. It has never talked before. The yam is talking to him for the first time. The dog is talking to him for the first time. The palm tree is talking to him for the first time. And the stone is also talking to him for the first time. So he was utterly confused. He said everything to the fisherman. Is it clear for you? Is it okay for you? Okay. Is it all? The man with the fish trap asked. Is it so frightening? So the man with the fish trap, the fisherman said, is that all? Is that all? Is that so frightening? Is there anything to get afraid? That is a silly thing, right? The fisherman asked to the farmer. Well, the man's fish trap said, did he take off the stone? Well, the man's fish trap, what is the thing that's speaking now? The fish trap. The fish trap is speaking. Fish trap is asking, did he take the stone off? Did he take it off the stone? So the fish trap is also speaking. Wow, the fisherman shouted. So fisherman was also afraid. He threw the fish trap on the ground and began to run with the farmer. So fisherman was afraid. So he threw the fish trap away. He was also afraid because this fish trap spoke to him for the first time. So he was afraid. He was frightened. So he threw away the fish trap and began to run with the farmer. On the trail, they met a weaver with a bundle of clothes on his head. So, on the way, on his trail means way. On the way, they met a weaver with a bundle of clothes on his head. Who's a weaver? The one who weaves clothes is called weaver. So, they met a weaver on the way. Though the fisherman and the farmer was running because they were so afraid. On the way, they met a weaver. Okay, is it clear for you? So, let's stop for today's class and we'll continue it in the next class. Thank you so much for listening. Please do learn the meanings of the new words. Then I'll send the notes through WhatsApp. You have to write it and send me back your notes for correction. Okay, thank you.